Okay, so welcome to part 2 of my software install. So we left off at installing Firefox and importing the settings from Microsoft Internet Explorer. So yes, it's been 2 days since my last video of me installing my software. So what do I install next? I think Free Studio, no. I really don't know, I lost track a long time ago. Oh yeah, iframe view. So this is my all-in-one picture viewer, media player, and other stuff like that. I just mainly use it for a flash viewer and picture viewer. Yeah, but the only problem is that if you're trying to view a flash, you have to install their plugin before anything. So what I usually do is just select everything for the what can it view list, and obviously install the Google toolbar. And this part I really don't care for, so I just press next. And then I just uncheck that because we have more things to do. Yeah. Next we have the plugin. Again, you have to have this to view flash files. Yeah, somebody's texting me. And now I install what I thought at the time was Real Player 11, but instead it was Real Player SP. Now the difference between 11 and SP is that 11 can download flash files like Metal Gear Awesome, Sonic Shorts, and other stuff like that, but while Real Player SP can't. So that's one thing I don't like about Real Player. Although it's got all those other goody little features like sharing on Facebook and sharing on YouTube and syncing with your iPod and iPhone, stuff like that, it doesn't compare anything to Real Player 11. Yeah, Real Player 11's a bit bulky when it comes to like longer startups, but when you get down to it, when you can download flash files like that, I don't think anything else beats it. Yeah. So this is actually my media player. The history behind this is that back on my old crappy computer, I used to love Windows Media Player. I used to play it all the time while playing Star Wars Battlefront 2 for the PC. But then when I upgraded to 11, the sound quality sounded like shit. So I just said, screw it, I'm going to Real Player. At first, I went to Real Player 10 because that was what was out at the time. So then I upgraded to 11. I thought this was awesome. It's going to get better. Kind of did a little bit. So yes, and after you do that, you always want to go to Preferences and set your media player to your universal media player, and I make sure the downloading option is right clickable because it takes a while for the pop-up window to come up. Yep. I make it my universal, and I choose my default web browser as Firefox because, again, as usual, Internet Explorer sucks, and I've removed it at this point in time, June 22nd. I've removed it completely from my computer. I forgot to switch the startup screen to my library, so I'll do that later. But then what I do is go to updates, and then I select all because I don't know what to choose, so I just check all of them. I know some are for like Camtasia Studio and other stuff like that. One of them is the MP4 codec, so that's a biggie right there because my camera's an MP4. Yeah, so this video stops at about 5 minutes, no, 6 minutes. And then I install OpenOffice because Microsoft rips you off when it comes to their own Office suite. There's only one thing that doesn't come with OpenOffice, and that's their version of Outlook. But I use Windows Live Mail. I tried out Thunderbird for a while, but I couldn't get my Hotmail folders to download, so I said screw it. I'm going back to Live Mail. So yes, and Genesis Health System is my work. Okay, so I go under customization, and then I uncheck more than half of them, like math, draw, and other stuff like that. what I usually use is Word, PowerPoint, and Excel in Microsoft Office terms. So what I go doing here is that I uncheck more than half of these. Yeah, the video did not pause. It's just taking a while for some reason. I don't know what I was doing here. Must have been something big. Alright. Oh yeah, I remember. I was looking back on my VAIO NS to see what it was installed on OpenOffice. So what I uncheck is math, base, and yeah, that's all I do. And then I want to check out that website publisher one once in a while. Actually, there's going to be a part 3 of this, and the part 3 has my own voice from the day I was unboxing it. I didn't realize it until, like, right now. So, yeah, this is where the video cuts off, so I'll just add in the part that has voice. So, this is the end of the commentary, and enjoy the real thing. If you're seeing this video, this is an explanation of what happened. Well, basically, I forgot to set the audio to microphone, so that whole installation of my software video, I'll just put over as a commentary. Yeah, I'll do the best I can, but it might get pretty boring, so yeah. So right now, this is like part 2 or something of it. Yeah, right now I'm installing iTunes. And there's something on my screen, I'll have to get it later. Alright, so automatically up to, let's see, no, QuickTime, shortcuts, yes. Yeah, sorry if I'm blowing in the screen, it's because there's hairs on my screen already. Where'd my phone go? There it is. Yeah, sorry this is taking so long. You can skip ahead if you'd like. Installing QuickTime. Yeah, the whole point of this video is, or the last 2 videos, is because to show you what I'm installing and how I do things my way. There's QuickTime on the desktop that just popped up there. Looks like somebody just left. Almost done. Updating components. You know, I'm gonna get up Skype and call a few people. Yeah, this part gets pretty boring. Sorry if I'm commentarying in. You can skip ahead if you'd like. The next part is me installing Skype 5.0 beta, so yeah. Is this on the Ustream? Alright, iTunes is finished installing. let's not open iTunes after. As you all can see the timer, the video is about 10 minutes, 16 seconds, so there's going to be part 3 of one of these videos. I'm not going to do a video of me installing like disk-based software because I had somebody was calling me, and so yeah, that's why. So part 3 will be after this. It's going to be the rest of this video. Okay. Next. What is next? What is next is the next part of this video, so yeah, it ends here.